Hello all, so this is a continuation of the previous video in which we have made some Python basics code. So here we are going to work with encapsulation, which is a method not only in Python, it is common in every languages, but here we are going to describe about Python in Python. So in encapsulation, since it will provide some restricted access only. For that, it is using nearly three attributes like public, protected, and private. So this what is the use of this public, protected, and private? We can see by use of a code. So for that, we are making a code with a class bank account, and in that we are making several definitions. The first definition is an initialization method. Here we are making the account holder as public. So if it is public means apart from the bank account, it can be since it is public, apart from bank account class, it can be called from whatever class since it is public. But bank holder or balance or pin, it can't be called like that since protected and private is it has some restrictions. Public attribute does not have any restrictions. Then when coming to this balance, it is a protected attribute. So it is restricted within this specific class only, that is within bank account, and that too the account holder only we can see. A bank also can see, so it is protected attribute. But when coming to private, it is again very restricted than this balance. So it can be viewed only by the account holder. This is the difference between public, protected, and private. Next, we are making some other definitions like for deposit, withdraw, get balance, and get pin. Though pin is an private attribute, we are making use. We are making to call it with an definition so that it will be easy to access private attribute, but also at that case also it is private, it can be accessed only by the authorized bank account holder. So first, for deposit means we are depositing an amount and it is like addition. So here they have given, so if amount is greater than 0 means the amount will be added up and the added amount will be displayed. So after displaying only we are going to check balance. Next, so if it is not means invalid deposit amount. So in if any amount is not added means it will be displayed like invalid deposit amount. So withdraw means in that case we are taking the money and in that case our money will be negative. So for that we will be using the negative sign, and if amount is greater than 0 only we can withdraw, right? So if not means we can't withdraw. So for that we have to check this condition whether amount is greater than 0 and it is less than or equal to self dot balance. So in that case if it is okay means we will return to withdrawn and we'll check the remaining balance. And finally, if it is the balance is not equal means it will like return insufficient funds or invalid amount. And finally we are getting the balance by using the definition get balance, and also as I said previously we will be getting the get pin by using the self pin. And finally we are demonstrating all this functions by using some print function. First, we are getting the class definition account. Within bank account, we are calling the name and their balance. Then we are printing the account holder and getting their balance, and also we are getting this pin. This pin will be given only to the account holder and not to everyone. So this is the use of encapsulation. In the next video, we will be working with inheritance. Thank you.